So our new painter is hard. But one thing you notice about when you got good paint, look at that coat on there. When you got good paint, if you got any scratches or stuff that's in the metal that you didn't DA good, you're gonna be able to see that. But this is a nice finished product, family. And that's what it's about. You know, as you build your business, it might start off one way and you improve it as you go. You don't have to start perfect, but the goal is to get there, fam. Hold on.